Tita Maribel about the same but different. Kasi you can say the same for society and how we grow up as people na ang daming nagbago pero ang dami rin parehas. So looking back and learning from them, ang daming talagang napupulot na lessons in life on how to survive through things and how to power through struggles, yung mga ganun. So, beyond the show, beyond being a co-actor with them, parang life lesson-wise, ang dami din talagang napupulot. So yun, for me.
Ikaw, Dre, as a new member, ikaw, Dre, as a new cast member, what is like to work with us?
Trabaho mo yan ha, Sarah?
Yeah, most of the things na sasabihin ko sana, nasabi naman na ni Albert. But syempre, as a new cast member, I feel medyo, there's a little bit of pressure kasi I'm stepping into big shoes with Noel Comilla playing Young Anton last year. And syempre, kailangan natin bigyan ng bagong twist si Young Anton ngayon. So for this Redux, you guys will see a new Anton with syempre Sir Jake as well. And to answer the question kanina, working with our very seasoned and veterans. Seasoned veterans. Working with our other casts. Parang, even reading the script, there's always this parang common point na nakaka-relate ka. So kung sinabi ni Albert at ni Direk na, different, same but different. Parang ngayon, I think, different but same. So there's that anchor point in all of us. And nakikita natin through observing and through reading the script and understanding everything, makikita mo na in all of us, there's always a silver lining na talaga.
Wow!